What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with RockQuarry. As always, I'm your host, RockQuarry. Today, we're making Fajitas, or the correct term, fajitas. So, let's get right into it. I'll tell you what you need. Stir-fry steak, some bell peppers, an onion, tortillas, cheese. I bought limes. I don't know why. I think you need limes. So yeah, we're gonna fry this steak up, fry up these vegetables, get the fajitas going, and yeah, so let's get that music going and let's start cooking. All right, so veggies are cut. Gonna get a cast iron skillet, medium heat, get some oil in there, throw those veggies in there, cook them down a bit, throw in the meat, put in salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, chili powder, garlic powder, I don't know, whatever else you want in there, mix it up, get that stuff going, cook it up, and then yeah, we're gonna be done. Whoa, it's a lot of spices. Alright, so the vegetables are tender. We're gonna throw in the steak, cook it all down, make that fajita plate, and then we're gonna be good to go. Really simple, really easy. If you watch this far, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, tell us what you think. It means a lot to us, it means a lot to me. Big Time Babble. If you want a shirt, slide in the DMs. Might have a store up soon. We got some cool new merch, so check it out. Alright, so we're done. Quick, easy. These are sizzling just like they came out at Chili's. They look good. I'm gonna throw a couple extra dabs of hot sauce on there. And yeah, I mean, we'll see how it tastes. Folks, I've done it again. Everything's perfectly cooked. Meat's good. One issue. Vegetable to meat ratio. I have more meat than vegetables. Probably should have used another bell pepper, but whatever, you live and you learn. Oh, shoot. The lime. Can't believe I forgot the lime. Overall, great. Easy. You can make this yourself. You don't have to have any skills at all. I did it about 10-15 minutes. So try this recipe out. Let us know what you think. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Tell us what you think, what you want, what you want to see, what other kind of content you want to see. Big Time Babble. Check us out. It's pretty neat.